Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to program a Dodge Ram key fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with both keys and the new fob ready. Keep doors closed and ignition off unless a step requires turning the key. Locate the factory key and verify both batteries. Stay calm and move through steps slowly to avoid triggering security features or missteps during programming. Now we dive into entry mode steps for programming a Dodge Ram key fob. Insert your programmed key and cycle the ignition to accessory, then back to off, repeating this 3 times quickly. Remove the key and press a button on the new fob to establish communication with the truck. If the doors cycle, the fob is paired. If not, repeat the sequence calmly and recheck battery power and timing. If you hit a snag while programming your Dodge Ram key fob, don't worry. Troubleshooting is usually simple. First, replace the fob battery and repeat the exact ignition sequence. Timing matters. Confirm the replacement fob is compatible with your Ram model and not a generic clone that lacks proper features. Finally, if door cycles never occur or the truck requires dealer-only access, plan a visit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.